Hello, friend. Business. What do you mean by business? According to dictionary, business is refers to as a state of being busy. But this meaning cannot provide us the clear and crystal picture what do you mean by business. Hence, business is refers to any activity done with an intention or motive of earning profit is called as business. So, in order to be called as a business, there must be two ingredients are required. One is activity, another one is intention of for earning profit. If both are available, then only it is called as a business. If there is no activity, then it is also not a business. If there is an activity, but the intention of doing such activity is not to earn profit but to render some social services, to render the services to particular people, then it is also not called as business. So to be called as a business, there must be a two required element. One is activity, another one is an intention of earning profit. Here, the business is a commercial activity started by an entrepreneur or a person who invests money in it, and a natural person who starts the business. In the eyes of law, business is different, owner is different. Person is refers to here, there are two types of person. One is a natural person like human being like you and me, whereas another type of person is an artificial person created by law. So here what is happening? Business is an artificial person created by law, and money invested in the business is a natural person is called as entrepreneur or investor or the owner or the shareholder or stakeholder who invest his precious money in the operations of the business. So here, in the eyes of law, business is different, owner is different. That's the reason why whenever the balance sheet or financial statements are prepared, business will presume that the money which is received from the investor is considered as a liability. The reason behind considering it as a liability is business will presume that I have received money from the owner, entrepreneur, in the form of capital, and this money is to be utilized by applying and purchasing various fixed assets to be utilized for production of goods and services. Hence, the selling of those goods and services will give the revenue to the business, and the profits to the business that will be given back to the owner as dividend. So here, whenever we are talking about business entity concept, it refers to business is different, owner is different. That's the reason why accounting will be prepared and accounts will be drawn with the perspective of the business, not with the perspective of the owner. Hence, whenever the accounts are drawn, business will consider it as a separate thing from its owner. So, whenever the business prepares the account, it will be the business perspective, not the owner perspective. So, here business is a separate legal entity created by law. Business will have all the privileges as will enjoy all the privileges as a human being will enjoy except breathing and consuming food. Business can file a suit against someone, someone can file a suit against business. Business can raise money from the someone, someone can take money from the business. Like this, business can't do contracts with other businesses or other individuals. So, like this, business entity concepts clear and crystally says that business is different, owner is different. Whenever accounts are prepared with the perspective, with the view of the business, not with the view of the owner. That is the most important concept a student of an accounting must understand. And we consider the capital investment or invest amount invested by the owner is treated as a liability by the business because the money invested is received from the owner and will be utilized in a proper way to produce the goods and services and earn the profits. So I hope I made you understand with the help of this precise explanation what you mean by business entity concept. Please do subscribe this channel to provide more valuable videos.